Good evening and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Tomorrow morning at the open, I will be shorting Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival Cruise Line is a leisure travel company operating several ships and visiting over 700 ports. If you ever have taken a Carnival cruise, most people really like it, and the food is good and the ships are well maintained. But the Covi crisis has caused some serious repercussions in the travel industry. They don't look to be in operation until next year, so they have no revenues coming in. The company is operated and headquartered in Miami, Florida. Now for some quick financial observations. Carnival Cruise Line is shortable and it's optionable, which are two requirements I require in a transaction stock. It's not a penny stock, and it has a market cap of over $14 billion. It's a large travel company. Now, currently, Carnival is not profitable, and there's no one can tell when it will regain profitability again. It had some sales growth over the last 5 years, but the projected sales growth is a negative number for the future. Again, the EPS is negative. They have assets, though. Value, it has assets, and that's the ships in the port. So the current price is $16.21. The target is $16.38. There's not much room there for upside. This is the target prices produced by many different analysts, experts in their field. It's not a bargain. The gram number, there's no gram number because it has no value. It's not making a profit, and I have the analyst rankings are 2.9, which is a 3, and that generally is a sell. The earnings just occurred, so I'm not optimistic about Carnival in the near future, so I'm comfortable with shorting it. Carnival has had some ups and downs, and recently it just jumped, as all stocks in the stock market did it this time, but now we're drifting down hard. Recently, we had an RSI signal indicating to go down. There's been a trend reversal predicted by the zigzag indicator, and it looks like we're about to go on the MACD to cross over. So I'm comfortable with shorting right here. So it's a RSI short. Okay, we made a decision. It's time to take some action. Tomorrow morning at the open, I'll try to take a short. I'll take a short at 16.20 with a target price of 15.71 and a stop loss at 16.61. The number of shares I'll buy is 74, and my expected profit is $36 as usual, and my expected loss is 30, less than my. So this way I can do I can lose one, win one, and still make $6. Now you have to remember, you can achieve this if you set your price target and your stop loss. For our risk management, we are setting our profit target at 3%, our stop loss at 2.5%. We're risking no more than $1,200, and with a base account amount of $5,000. If I backtest, we backtested it, and we have a win ratio of 66 or 67%. And we would have achieved over the last year, starting in January 1st, around $300. You can see the profit, and you can see the max losses. That was around the dip. You just couldn't get out. By the way, this model here is a back test of a end of day model. So you take these numbers occur at the end of the day. And here is my open short that we just spoke about. So in conclusion, is Carnival Cruise Lines a buy? I say no, it's a sell. It's a short-term sell.